Hi, today we are going to learn the easiest way of subtraction. And here, to learn subtraction, we need to learn two basic things. Those are very easy, and if you go with that, first one is knowing complements of digits. Complements, and second one is match mismatch. Right now, so if we go with the complements, if we add two digits, if it come equal to 10, then those are called as complements. So the digit 1 complement is 9, so that if we add both of them, it comes to 10. So in the same way, for 2 it is 8, for 3 it is 7, and for 4 it is 6, 5 obviously it will be 5 only. Right? Next, I hope it is easy to remember also. And when it comes to match mismatch, so if subtraction is possible for two digits or two numbers, then it is considered as match. Like if we take 8 minus 5, then it is possible, so we will get it as 3. So other example, if we take some 7 minus 4, so the answer will be 3. So that so the subtraction is possible. Or else if we take 5 minus 2, if it comes to again 3. So randomly all the numbers has come to 3 only, it is not intentionally. And when it comes to mismatch, so if the subtraction is not possible, in cases like 4 minus 7, so where subtraction is not possible, that means it will go to negative number. So such cases is considered as mismatch. Another example, 5 minus 8. So here also the subtraction will come as a negative. Or 9, sorry, if we take 2 minus 7, if we take, so again here also we will end up with 5. So that comes under mismatch case. Right? Now, so we have seen basic things like complements and match mismatch. Now here, based on this, we will move on to subtraction. So if we go with an example, so like if we go with an example, so we will consider some any random number like if I take some number, example 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 2 minus 1, 3, 2, 9, 7, something like 6. Okay, so if we take subtraction of these numbers, now in this, so first thing, here we won't follow the regular method like from right to left or taking borrowing and all, so which will lead to lengthy process. Here we will make it in easier way by using those two basics, like 2 minus 1, obviously we will end up with 1. So when we are writing from left to right, so we will just see what is the number. 2 minus 1, we are getting 1, and beside of that whether match is there or mismatch is there, we will check. Okay, so here 3 minus 3 it is possible, so match, so we can write 2 minus 1 as 1. Next, 3 minus 3, 0 we get. Okay, so 0 automatically we can write it as 0 only, and beside of that already match is there. Right? So 0 will write. 4 minus 2, so we get 2, but beside of that mismatch is there. So we have to write, when mismatch is there beside of that, so we have to reduce one number and we have to write. That means 4 minus 2 is 2, so we have to write it as 1. Next, 6 minus 9 is there, so which is not possible, it will go to mismatch case. So we have to take 9 minus 6. So when mismatch is coming, we have to take reverse order and we have to take complement of that. 9 minus 6 is 3, and for 3 complement is 7. So 7 we have to write, but before writing that number we have to check the next digit. So whether it is match or mismatch. So match is there, so we can write 7 as it is. Next, so 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7 is 1. So beside of that mismatch is there. So we have to reduce one number and we have to write 0. Next, 2 minus 6 is not possible. So 6 minus 2, that is 4. So as mismatch case, so 4 complement we have to write it as 6. So if we practice some number of problems, it will be easy. So if we go with the other problem just like I am taking one more example. So like 3, 8, 4, 9, 2, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 9, 4, 3, 8, something 4. Okay. So if we take subtraction for this example, so 3 minus 1 is 2 and beside of that is match, so we can write it 2 directly. 8 minus 2, so we will end up with 6, but beside of that mismatch is there, so we have to reduce one number and we have to write it as 5. Next, 4, 9 mismatch, so 9 minus 4, so it will come 5. 5 complement is 5 only and beside of that match is there, so we can write 5. Next, 9 minus 4, so it is match only, directly we can write 5, but beside of that mismatch is there, so we will reduce one number and write it as 4. Next, 2 minus 3, so it is mismatch. 3 minus 2, 1 we get, so 1 complement is 9, so 9 we have to write, but beside of that mismatch is there, so we will write it as 8. Next, 6 minus 8, which is mismatch, so 8 minus 6 we have to take, so 2 we are getting, 2 complement is 8, so beside of that what is there, match is there, so we can write 8 as it is, and 7 minus 4 is 3. So in this way, whatever lengthy the problem is, so we can do it in easier way, and just we have to look for complements and match mismatch, so that we will get answer easily. Okay. So otherwise if we go with the older method like borrowing and all, if we miss out somewhere taking borrowing or somewhere if we count wrongly, it will go off wrong. So this is the easiest possible method where we can find subtraction. Thank you.